Alright, I figured I'd do a quick video on this Air King fan with a different blade on it. I know it doesn't look like it, but this is the closest I could get to a stock looking fan here. So, as everybody knows, I have a stash of old fan blades that I've kept off old fans over the years. And the fan blade this comes with is well, not that style, but I'm sure there's one over here. There it is, maybe. Oh, that's not it either. But anyway, it comes with the kind of cheap, flimsy Lasko 3733 blade, which makes it very loud and move not much air. So what I did is I pulled one of these Lasko Weather Shield blades out of the stash over here and threw it on this. Originally, I actually put this gray one on it because I thought it looked cool. But then I was like, I want to make something that looks, you know, a little bit more like it would have came from the factory this way. So I pulled a white one out. And yeah, as far as you can tell, it looks like the regular Air King, right? Except this one has the little hole in the hub like the Weather Shield fans and the wind machines. And I believe the wind tunnel and what's it called? The other Cyclone, that's what it's called. But other than that, the rest of it's stock. Still has the little motor, which with the proper blade on it is not bad actually. So we're going to test it on the kilowatt meter just for the hell of it. So here's high. On high, it's actually moving a decent breeze. Is it comparable to something like this? No. But it's pretty good. I've always said the Weather Shield fans were some of the last decent Lasko box fans. Like I said, with the proper blade, it's actually somewhat quiet. And moves more air. All the way back here. So, people at Air King, Lasko, whoever, take notes here. Go to medium. If you really want to improve these things, stick the right blade on it. Because these have good potential. Even on medium, still moving a good breeze. Kind of all over the place, but I mean, it's still pretty good air mover for a new fan. And even on low, it's a lot quieter than normal. So this fan, I mean, it's not quiet by any means, but it's tolerable as compared to the stock blade it had. I meant to test the kilowatts. It's drawing 70.7 watts on low. Go to high, or medium rather. Draws 89.2. Yeah. And on high, 103 watts. 60 hertz. 0.91 amps on high. 0.75 on medium. And 0.60 on low. Back to high. Normally I test that during the speed test, but whatever. So yes, I'm probably going to keep it this way, because I spent a decent amount of money on this fan. It was actually on sale, surprising. But yeah, this fan has good potential. The fact Air King and Lasko did not take advantage of that is kind of disappointing. Now this one's a little bit older, so I don't know if the new ones are any different. Because this was new old stock at Ace Hardware, apparently. It's the second time I bought a fan there, and it was new old stock. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.